Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the topic of the four operation from the first term. As we know that there are two type of operation we usually use in our grade 5. The first one is the left to right rule, and the second one is your BODMAS. Now we use left to right rule where only two operations are involved, either plus minus combination or multiplication division combination is there. So we can use the operation left to right where the combination of only two operations, that is either plus minus or multiplication division, are involved. Then we prefer to use the left to right. Now we come to the BODMAS rule. The every digit of this BODMAS stand for a particular operation, just like B stands for the brackets and O stands for order, which we learned in grade 6. D stands for division and N stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now students, in the BODMAS rule, the order of operation is very much important. If there is only division, multiplication, addition and subtraction combination is present, or if there is combination of any three operations, either division, addition, subtraction, or multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division, multiplication, addition, or division, multiplication, subtraction, or whatever the combination is present, then we have to use the rule according to that alphabets. First we have to divide, then we have to multiply, then we have to add, and finally we have to do the subtraction. So if the brackets are involved in the same combination where more than two operations are involved, then we first evaluate the brackets and then we perform the rest of the operation. So this is an overview of the four operations where we use left to right rule. Either the addition and subtraction is involved, or we use the BODMAS rule where the combination of more than two operations are involved. After revising the four operations, you have to solve the worksheet of the four operation. Question number 1, find the value of the following. The first part is 28 minus 6 multiply by 2 plus 4 divided by 3. So in it there are more than two operations. So we use the BODMAS rule, and also the brackets is also there. So BODMAS rule is applied. So in the BODMAS rule, first of all we have to solve the bracket. So 28 minus 6 remains as it is. We first solve it. This becomes 6 divided by 3. So now here multiplication and division is present along with subtraction. So we have to apply the DMAS rule further, in which first we do the division, then we do the multiplication, and then we will come on the subtraction. So this will be 28 minus 6 multiply by 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we do the multiplication now. This will be 12 and our answer will be 16. In the last step we have to do the subtraction. Second question, there are the two brackets. We have to solve these brackets individually and then we have to perform the operation which is present between them. So first of all we have to solve this bracket and this bracket simultaneously. So 6 plus 3 is 9, minus 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. This is very easy question. So question number 3 is 3 multiply by 4 plus 9 minus 1. So again we have to use the BODMAS rule over here. Sorry, plus 1 is over here. So in it first we have to solve the bracket. So this will be 3 multiply by 13 plus 1. Now here the multiplication and addition is present. So First of all, we have to do the multiplication and then we do the addition. So this will be 39 plus 1, which is equals to 40. Number 4, no brackets are present, but there are the two operations, which is multiplication and subtraction. So first of all, we have to do the multiplication and then we have to do the subtraction. So in it, what we have to do, we have to perform these multiplications. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 2 times 8 is 16. So now you subtract 18 minus 16, which is 2. In question number 5, there is 35 divided by 5 plus 26. Brackets are present. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket. 35 divided by 5 is 7 plus 26. So this will be 33. 33. The last part of this question is 16 minus 6 multiplied by multiply by 4 plus 6. Again the two brackets are there, so we have to solve the bracket first. 16 minus 6 is equals to 10 times 4 plus 6 is also 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. So in all these questions, what we have to see, we see that we have to apply the BODMAS rule or we have to apply the DMAS rule according to the statement of the question. In question number 2, we have to write the correct signs, either smaller or greater or equals to make these statements correct. The first part, there are the two statements that are related with the sign, but the sign is not written over here. We have to solve this side, that is our left hand side, and we have to solve the right hand side, and we find either our answers are equal or which side has a greater answer or a smaller answer. So first of all, I am going to solve the left hand side. This will be 13 minus 6, which is equals to 7. Here 9 6 are 40, 54 minus 4, which will be 50. So from here, after solving this side and this side, we find out that this 9 times 6 minus 4 is greater than 9 plus 4 minus 6. So we put the greater signs over here. In part 2, 3 times 4 plus 6 and 3 times 4 plus 6. Again we solve this side first. 3 times 4 plus 6. It is written in the bracket, so we solve it first. This will be 30. And here we solve the bracket first, which is 12 plus 6. And this is equals to 18. So our left hand side is greater than our right hand side. Now in question number 3, addition and division is present, and where the combination of addition and division is present, we have to apply the DMAS rule over here. And here again the addition and multiplication is present, so we apply the DMAS rule over here. So first of all, we have to solve it here. We do the division first. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is equals to 8. Now come on this side. We do the multiplication first before addition. 2 times 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So now we see that our left hand side is equals to our right hand side. So we put the equality sign over here. In question number 4, the statement is 13 minus 6 plus 4. And this is 13 minus 6 plus 4. Okay. Here we have to apply the left to right rule because only the two operation subtraction and addition is present. And here we apply the BODMAS rule because although the addition and subtraction is present, but here the brackets are also present. So first of all, we have to do the subtraction. 13 minus 6 is equals to 7 plus 4, which is equals to 11. And here, if we solve the bracket first, again this will be 7 plus 4, which is equals to 11. So our left hand side is equals to our right hand side. true or false. We have to solve this hand side and we find out whether this hand side is equal to this hand side. If both are equal, then this statement is true. If they are not equal, then the statement is false. Again, 10 divided by 2 plus 4 times 3. More than 2 operations are involved, so we have to apply the DMAS rule over here, in which first we have to do the division. 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 4 times 3. Now we have to do the multiplication. 5 plus 12, which is equals to 17. So this will give you the answer 17, which is written on our right hand side. So this statement is true. In the part 2, 6 plus 4 times 3 equals to 22. So 6 plus 4 is 10 times 3, which is equals to 30. So this 30 is not equals to 22. So this statement is false. Okay class, this is 9 times 2 minus 6 divided by 6. Again we have to apply the BODMAS rule, in which we have to do the multiplication and the division first. So 9 times 2 is 18 minus 6 divided by 6. This will be 1, which is equals to 17, and this is equals to 70. This statement is true. In part 4, 3 times 5 plus 4 minus 22. We have to find out whether this answer is equals to 9 or not. So in it we have to solve first the brackets. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 22. Now we have to do the multiplication first. So 3 times 9 is 27 minus 22, which is equals to 5. And this 5 is not equals to 9. So this statement is false. In the last part, we have to apply again the DMAS rule, in which first we have to do the multiplication. So 7 plus 7 minus 1 times 8 is 8. Now here only the plus and minus is left. When only the plus and minus is left, so now we have to apply the left to right rule. So 7 plus 7 is 14 minus 8, which is equals to 6, which is not equals to 4. So this statement is also false.